Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, we will explore 5 innovative ways to make money on different social media platforms. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or business owner, these creative methods will help you maximize your online presence and earn money through social media. Sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the potential of your social media accounts. In this video, we will delve deep into various strategies that will help you turn your social media accounts into a source of income. Social media platforms have become much more than just a means of staying connected, and we will show you how to leverage these platforms to generate revenue in unique and innovative ways. So, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Sponsored content. One of the most popular ways to make money on social media is through sponsored content. Brands are constantly looking for influencers and content creators to collaborate with, promoting their products or services. As an influencer, you can establish partnerships with relevant brands and negotiate deals that allow you to earn money by creating engaging content that showcases their offerings. It's important to maintain authenticity and select brands that align with your niche and values to maintain the trust of your audience. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Another effective way to monetize your social media is through affiliate marketing. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. You can share affiliate links or unique discount codes with your audience, and when they make a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's crucial to choose products or services that resonate with your audience's interests, ensuring a higher chance of conversions and increased earnings. Number 3. Digital products. If you have a skill or expertise that you can share, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative option. E-books, online courses, graphic design templates, or even music tracks are just a few examples of what you can offer. Social media provides an excellent platform to promote and distribute your digital products to a wide audience. By showcasing your expertise and providing real value, you can build a loyal customer base while generating a steady income stream. Number 4. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding has gained significant popularity in recent years, and social media plays a vital role in its success. Whether you have a creative project, a business idea, or a cause you believe in, platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo allow you to reach out to a vast community of potential backers. By effectively utilizing social media platforms to share your crowdfunding campaign, you can engage with your audience, gain support, and generate the necessary funds to turn your dreams into reality. Number 5. Brand collaborations. Collaborating with brands as a content creator can go beyond just sponsored content. By establishing strong relationships with brands, you can secure long-term collaborations, such as becoming a brand ambassador or creating exclusive branded content. These partnerships can provide a stable income source and open up opportunities for growth and increased exposure. Remember to choose brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience to maintain authenticity and maximize the benefits. We have covered a range of innovative strategies that can help you monetize your social media presence and turn your passion into a profitable venture. Remember, it's important to stay true to yourself, engage with your audience, and continuously explore new opportunities. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe to Future Finance, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.